we head into Wistful Vistas, the location of the Coopermans, and my visor must remain firmly secured. Got to get out and ride this little puppy a little more often, a little more consistently, so I know where some of the various controls are. Oh boy. And we have a nice slow-moving queue to follow. But never one to waste a moment of silence when I can drop a few dulcet words into the stream and perhaps enlighten my fellow motorcycle riders / Aprilia owners. I will say, it was asked of me a while ago what I thought about the fueling of this machine. Hey dude, another two-wheeler with a few less horsepower. I don't know if you saw him with my chest camera. I can't tell because I don't have a preview. But I was asked if I liked the fueling of this 2021, which I assume is spot on the same as the 2022 model, as compared to my previous 2017. And the response to that is yes. I think out of the box stock, as this machine is, the fueling is proportional and very easy to modulate with the fly-by-wire throttle. I'm going a little quick now, so let me go down into a lower gear. And I'm in first gear. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm in first gear at the moment, and our speed limit here is 25. It doesn't particularly like that, but it is better, and I'm using that comparative term, it is better, in my opinion, to the stock fueling that was present on the 2017 when I received it, those few years back. After I upgraded the map and the exhaust system on the 2017, it was as good or better than this is. So one of these days I hope to get aftermarket exhaust, because one of the most beautiful sounds in the world, in my opinion, is this Aprilia at full song with a more open, cheerful exhaust on it. I'm going to call it cheerful. So I do want to do that. That is on the agenda for a modification to make. However, being so new and not being ridden all that much in my first little while with it, it wouldn't be appropriate to do it now. Plus, I'd have to explain to the redoubtable Mrs. Cooper as to why I felt it was necessary to buy such an expensive machine and then immediately modify it to the tune of some scores of dollars with an aftermarket exhaust system. Like, how good can it be that you want to put that much money into the thing? And, that's fair. But then my retort to her is, I thought our house was pretty nice too, and you spent several scores of dollars on remodeling the house. I don't suggest that line of discussion or reasoning with your own spouse, however, because you lose. And we know we do. We're men, we know we do. God bless the ladies creating the nest for us. So that's just a quick update on how it likes the low speed running around and fueling as a stock machine. So if you're concerned about that, don't be. You can modulate and roll this thing along at 25 miles an hour and it won't buck and bounce at all. Over and out. Just got back to Wistful Vistas in the Man Cave, or I'm in Wistful Vistas. Just at the entrance to the Man Cave, there's a nice panoramic, I hope, again, I can't tell, of the Aprilia. And it's still a pleasure to own. Getting perilously close to a year's worth, and I'm doing not enough miles on it to really really justify owning it. But still loving the thing, and would recommend, if you're thinking about it, compared to other machines. I can't tell you about perhaps all those other machines, but I certainly do like this one. So open sesame, door to the man cave goes up, and we are arrived. Going to see how all this works out on the cutting room floor. Talk to you later.